Welcome to Mandala Eco-Resort. My name is Maurits and today I will take you across a living and breathing landscape. Over here, every villa, every view and every corner tells a different story. Mandala is more than just a destination. Each neighborhood has its own design, identity and view. Let's begin where it all starts. This is one of our first villas to open, facing Mount Rinjani, standing tall on the horizon like a silent guardian. Just beside, the koi pond introduces a meditative atmosphere. It's here where nature, water and sky all come into dialogue. Now we're in the corner of phase 1 and you can already see how the energy shifts. Here in A1, you can see the rice terraces leaning in close, as if embracing you. Instead of grand panoramas, you get intimacy, while the distant hills remind you where you are. This is where every guest journey begins. They arrive at Arkana Hub, the very soul of the resort. An infinity pool captures the reflection of the sky. To the left, rice terraces cascade like green steps into the earth. Mount Rinjani, once again, rises in full view. This is where people meet, share stories, work and dream. From poolside brunches to sunset yoga, late night movies to weddings. This is where our community breathes. As we move into phase 2, the scenery evolves again. B1 is carved deep into nature. Here, privacy is a luxury as the architecture disappears into the green. We are now in C1, the most open of all Mandala areas. Just a few steps ahead lies Serangan Bay, National Theatre for the Sea. You can see Arkana and A1 rising gently behind, reminding you you're part of a greater design. This is Mandala Signature. This is the third phase of the Mandala Eco-Resort project. This land holds both stunning views on ocean and nature. This is the most elevated part of Mandala and also the most limited. Every path and Mandala leads somewhere unique. Every view, a new perspective. Whether you're here to create, connect or retreat, we hope to welcome you soon.